Okay, we're going to do the ellipse with the four centers approximation method. Okay, like I told you, align the paper with the bottom of the drawing space. Okay? Immediately you're going to find the center or the midpoint by using two diagonal lines. Now in this drawing you must be precise. Then you're going to draw the vertical axis of the ellipse, and then the horizontal axis of the ellipse. Try to hit it right there in the center. Be very precise. Okay. For this drawing, we have to use the alright. For the major axis, we're going to measure 3, and that's going to give us a total of 6 inches in the major axis of the ellipse. Remember to tighten the compass to the dimension that you want, so the compass doesn't open up on you. So you're going to go 3 to the left and 3 to the right, and then we're going to do 2 inches up, 2 inches down, and that establishes the minor axis of the ellipse.
How long is it?
It's 2 and 3. And it's very important that you write the number, the letters of the points that you're creating. If not, you're going to get lost. This is the origin. This is A. This is B. This is C. And this is D. I'm going to wait for you guys about 2 minutes. Alright. Like I said, we have to draw a line from C to B. We got to be precise. All right, draw that line, C, B. No, just C, B. And then you're going to get on the center of the ellipse, and you're going to draw this arc.
What is the Bisector?
The compass. The compass is set to distance OC. And once again, we put the letters. This point here, it's called E. This point, we're going to find F now. Everybody do this. Has everybody done this? Okay. Now, we're going to measure this distance with the compass. BE. You measure that distance. You have to be very precise. and then you transfer that distance to the top of the ellipse here on C, and you draw this little arc, and you call this new point F. Okay, you guys do that. I'm funny. Okay. Well, you take this distance, EB, you do a arc, you trace an arc with this distance, you set yourself on C, you trace the arc, and that's going to intersect this line, this diagonal line, and create a new point called F. All right? I'm going to highlight this line in red because it's very important. This line F, you'll see it red now, or highlight it. You'll see this line. That's very important. FB. Well, you should. All right, I'm going to wait 1 minute for you guys to finish. Okay, now we have to bisect FB. You guys know how to bisect. And if you don't, I will remind you. You set yourself at the end of the line, and you trace an arc on top, that same line on the bottom. You get on the other side of the line, you're bisecting, and there you go. See? From B, you trace these two arcs. And from F, you trace these two arcs. Where those arcs intersect, it gives you a reference to draw a line. And that line is very important because it's going to give you 2 points. It's going to give you, you have to draw it all the way down until it intersects the vertical axis. All right? This point right here, it's very important. That's called H. And this one over here, where it intersects the horizontal axis, it's called G. G and H. Again, you're going to bisect this line using the method that we use in class at the beginning, using arcs, intersecting arcs from both sides of the line.
So the point
B, F.
No, I mean like the line goes to E, right?
This is the line that we're bisecting.
Yeah, but I mean like you drew a line. Okay.
We bisect it with these two arcs. We run it until we meet the vertical axis. Of course, it's going to cross the horizontal axis. Where it crosses, that's G. Where it intersects with the vertical axis, that's H. All right? You all do that. All right. Once you have those 2 points, you're going to get on H. Oh, before we do that, you have to draw this line. You're going to take these points and transfer the points to both sides. So you're going to measure this distance OH. You're going to take this distance, OH, and you're going to transfer it to the other side. You see that? That way we don't have to do the whole process again. Right here, H, put it over here. And then we measure the distance OG. And likewise, we transfer it to the other side. Once we have those 2 points, all we got to do is draw the lines. You draw a line like this, okay? This one, you got that one. And then the inverted ones. From this point now going down. All right? And again, from this point going through G, going down. All right? It's like you have a V, an inverted V. Okay? All right. Here we go. Okay, once you have those points, all you got to do is set yourself on H, open wide, all the way to C. This was C, by the way, right here. And you're going to trace an arc from this point all the way to this one. Now we're building the ellipse. And then you set yourself on this other side. Try to be as precise as you can. And then you go from this side all the way to this side. Then you get on this point, on G. And instead of going, you measure this distance, you got to be same as this one, same as this one. I messed up just a tad there. What happened? We can't see, huh? Okay, all I did was draw this arc, setting myself over here, and then from H, opening up to all the way here, and drawing this arc. There's a little error here. I didn't set myself right on the point. See? There's a little error on the point here, more towards up than down. That's why you always are going to have a little error. Okay? It's hard not to have an error. Like here, I'm going to have an error. So what I do, you can tweak it a little bit. Just kind of cheat a little bit. No, I'm not cheating. I'm just making it work. See? So there is the ellipse. All right? We're done with the ellipse.